Mechanics Part 1. Introduction to Mechanics. What is mechanics? Mechanics is the branch of physics that studies motion, force, energy, and matter. It explains how objects move and how forces affect them. Examples: moving car, flying airplane, falling apple, rotating fan. Divisions of mechanics: statics, study of objects at rest. Examples: book on table, bridge standing still. Dynamics, study of moving objects and the forces acting on them. Examples: running athlete, moving train. Kinematics, study of motion without considering causes of motion. Topics included: distance, speed, velocity, acceleration. Kinetics, study of motion together with forces causing motion. Example: why football moves after kick. Motion. Definition: motion occurs when an object changes its position with time relative to surroundings. Important conditions for motion: time must pass, position must change, reference point is necessary. Rest and motion. Rest: object is at rest if position does not change. Example: chair in classroom. Motion: object is in motion if position changes. Example: moving bicycle. Types of motion: linear motion. Definition: motion along straight line. Examples: train on track, falling stone. Circular motion. Definition: motion along circular path. Examples: clock hands, satellite around Earth. Rotational motion. Definition: motion around fixed axis. Examples: ceiling fan, spinning wheel. Oscillatory motion. Definition: repeated back and forth motion. Examples: pendulum, swing. Periodic motion. Definition: motion repeating after equal intervals of time. Examples: Earth revolving around sun. Clock, pendulum. Distance. Definition: actual path traveled by object. Properties: scalar quantity, no direction, always positive. Example: walking around park. Displacement. Definition: shortest distance between initial and final positions. Properties: vector quantity, has direction. Example: straight path between home and school. Difference between distance and displacement. Distance, displacement, actual path, shortest path. Scalar quantity, vector quantity, no direction, has direction. Speed. Definition: distance traveled in unit time. Types of speed: uniform speed, equal distances in equal time intervals. Example: clock needle movement. Non-uniform speed, unequal distances in equal time intervals. Example: traffic movement. Average speed, total distance divided by total time. Velocity. Definition: displacement traveled in unit time in specific direction. Difference between speed and velocity. Speed, velocity, scalar quantity, vector quantity, no direction, has direction. Acceleration. Definition: rate of change of velocity. Types of acceleration: positive acceleration, velocity increases. Negative acceleration, velocity decreases. Zero acceleration, velocity remains constant. Examples of acceleration: car speeding up, bike slowing down. Force. Definition: push or pull acting on object. Effects of force: starts motion, stops motion, changes speed, changes direction, changes shape. Types of force: contact forces, frictional force, opposes motion between surfaces. Muscular force, produced by muscles. Non-contact forces: gravitational force, force of attraction between masses. Magnetic force, force produced by magnets. Electrostatic force, force between charges. Balanced and unbalanced forces. Balanced forces, equal forces acting in opposite directions. Result: no motion change. Unbalanced forces, unequal forces acting on object. Result: motion changes. Inertia. Definition: property resisting change in state of motion or rest. Types of inertia: Inertia of rest. Object at rest remains at rest. Inertia of motion. Moving object keeps moving. Inertia of direction. Object resists direction change. Examples of inertia. Passengers fall backward when bus starts. Dust leaves carpet when beaten.